This type of email will increase your engagement. Here's how. So in this video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of Jack Will's abandoned cart email. I'll discuss how you can leverage this type of email in your business. So the first part is that this is an abandoned cart email sent to users who were on the site, probably added multiple items to cart, but left the site. And we send this email to them to get them back. So in the hero of the email, we have a CTA that says return to my items, where the customer can click and go to their account to see all the items that they left in their cart. The next section is that we have the product spotlight modules. So we have two, and at the bottom, we have the total amount with a CTA that says return to my items. And at the bottom right here, it says congratulations, you qualified for free delivery. So going back to the product spotlight module, so what we have here is a multi-image layout. So we have three types of images showcasing the product. So these are using lifestyle shots on a person, on a model, showing the customer, here's how this t-shirt will look like. What I like about this product spotlight module is that it's using multiple image instead of one. A lot of e-commerce brands, they use one single image. In this case, there's multiple images. This will likely increase engagement. Right here, it's showing the product title, the color, the size, the prices, and the CTA to view the item. Some testing ideas that I got from this email is that we can test different image formats. So we can do carousel, stacked, or collage, but we have to make sure that it's mobile friendly. When you build this out, you have to build it out for desktop and for mobile. Another testing idea is testing the image order. So instead of this image right here, what if we put this image here on the left? Does changing the image increase engagement? Another testing idea is that we can test different lifestyle shots versus product only shots. Right now we have only lifestyle shots, but what if we place it with product only? So just a t-shirt, no model. Would that increase or decrease engagement? So this product spotlight module is on the abandoned cart, but you can also apply it to general marketing emails or new arrival emails. Lots of possibilities showcasing the products you want your customers to see. So how would you build these emails? So there's two different types of approaches, a dynamic and a static approach. For the dynamic approach, we're going to have to pull the product data into the emails. So this will be a high level of effort just because you have to do a lot of QA testing with your data platform to make sure that it renders correctly. Meaning that whatever item is left in the cart, that it shows up correctly here in the email. You want to make sure that there's no out of stock for that product and that the prices show up correctly. For a static approach, you can easily manually build this one by one. So start with this one product, add all the product information, the destination links. So here in the email, we have two products. So if you were to build this out manually, you could add more. So this would be a low level effort compared to the dynamic approach. So one thing that I would change from this email is that if you take a look here, and right here, it says, congratulations, you qualify for free delivery. So it's really small text. What I would change is make it bigger, provide this value proposition to the customers so that they can see it. That will make them more likely to click return to my items. So overall, I would give this an email 5 out of 5. It really is engaging. I really like the product spotlight module. It shows a lot of images, different shots, and different angles. If you have any questions on how to build this email, the strategy, the execution, put in the comments, let me know. If there's something that I missed that's in this email and you want me to highlight, let me know too. My name is Michael. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.